and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Tagbilaran. Time for your convenience is 54 minutes past the hour of 3 in the afternoon, and today is the 3rd of September, 2017. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened as a sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not remove your items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. Please be reminded that voice calls are permitted only after the doors have been opened. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website, philippineairlines.com. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety,